What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be cleaning up and kind of refurbishing this EVGA GeForce GTX 760. This is a super clocked edition, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty dusty and dirty inside. And the plan is to get this thing cleaned up and then take pictures and get it on eBay for sale. This mat I have here, this is actually a grounded mat. I've actually, let me see if I can see here. So this wire is actually hooked up to a ground. A lot of people say they've never lost a piece of electronic by electrostatic. I'm not sure if I have, but I did lose something and I don't know what caused it. And maybe it was electrostatic. I'm gonna take these apart in the X fashion. That way I don't end up putting too much stress on the GPU die that's located right here. Sorry, I got this off camera. This little plug came out of here. This is for these fans here. Let's get this separated. There we go. All right, so now we're separated. So over here, clearly you have your actual video card, and here is just all cooling. Got your copper heat pipes. Got a couple thermal pads. You want to be careful with your thermal pads because you really can't replace them, and you really can't just go to the store and get more thermal pads. So we're gonna clean off this old thermal paste. We're gonna put some new thermal paste down, and we're gonna clean all the dust off and then get it ready for sale. I just got done blowing it all off with the air compressor, and it looks fantastic. I can't really see any dust left at all, and it seems to come out of the fins really well. It's kind of in a pinch. I ran the Best Buy and picked up this Insignia thermal compound, but the reviews were actually quite good, so let me give it a try. You don't need a lot of this stuff. Maybe about the width of a grain of rice. And okay. Alright. Maybe too much right there, but alright. So I'm gonna go with this back down and be sure to try to plug in my fans first as I'm going down here. Kind of tricky because they don't give you a lot of slack. I've got my plug for my fans plugged in, and just gonna make sure that I get my heat sink lined up so my holes are visible. Go ahead and get her a bit pressed down. Now this is a delicate piece of equipment, and you don't need to tighten like you're crazy. So I am gonna go in an X pattern. Alright. And there's all she wrote, guys. She is done. I will throw this on my computer, give it one last test all the thermals. And it will be going up on sale on eBay, hopefully fetching at least $80. We'll see.